Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and here we have a little something for those that want to troubleshoot printers in Windows 10. First of all, you got to know that your printer most probably has a native driver already in the operating system. I've got a HP P1505 here that definitely installs by itself. I don't even need to install anything. I just plug it in, and after a couple of minutes it's installed and ready to work. Of course, some of the drivers for printers sometimes have more features that you need to get the proper driver from the manufacturer. But what about if you do plug it in, it shows up, but it seems that it's not working, that it's having some issues? What can you do? Well, in Windows 10, you got a troubleshooter for your printer. Simply go to the Start menu, click on the Settings gear icon. If you don't have it there, you can go to the Notifications area on the bottom right of your screen and go into All Settings. Go into Update and Security, and on the left side you've got Troubleshoot. Within the things you can troubleshoot here, you'll have Printer, find and fix problems with printing, and you can run the troubleshooter. And it's going to start looking at what's wrong with the printer. It's going to give you solutions. So it's going to start by looking if Windows is okay, if everything is working well. Then it's going to give you suggestions. It might say, oh, you need to download a driver, which means you'll need to go to, they're either going to offer you to try to find it for you, or they're going to tell you, well, go and get the printer driver. And basically, you need to know that you need to go to the manufacturer's website. If you got a Canon, go to canon.com, or an HP, hp.com, and there you need to find the support page and find your printer and look at the printer driver for Windows 10. That's very important. Some printers will need to have that, and you'll need to actually download some of the drivers available by the manufacturer. So check that out, because these are things you'll need to have. But this is a good start. It might give you some suggestions, or bring you into where you need to troubleshoot what could be the problem. And of course, if you can't by yourself understand exactly what it's telling you, maybe having somebody that knows a little more about computers and over and look at it and try to understand with you what the problem could be. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.